Hi Aquarius, welcome back to Omkara Tarot and to another Love Bite. Aquarius, these are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you. Please keep that in mind, take what works for you and leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Aquarius and send them the messages they need to hear the most for their love life now. Thank you. Alright Aquarius, let's start your reading. Welcome back all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. And if you're new here Aquarius, of course we welcome you as well. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. Alright Aquarius. Fool, the Four of Wands, King of Swords, Two of Wands, Seven of Wands in reverse, center of my spread. Queen of Swords. Alright, so bottom of my deck I have the Ten of Pentacles in reverse. Some trouble in a committed partnership. Maybe somebody... There is some trouble here because the Four of Wands is in reverse as well, with the King of Swords and the Queen of Swords on my table in a 9-card spread, and the King of Swords is upside down, which means they could have some anger issues, or they could have been hurtful to this Queen of Swords. Somebody is making a decision that, hey, I don't want to fight for this connection anymore, not feeling stressed out basically. So let's see what's going to happen, Aquarius, where this is going. I'm going to start with some dialogue message cards. Let's see if you guys could say something to each other, what that would be, and then we'll clarify the rest of the cards. So Aquarius and their person spirit. Aquarius and their person. Aquarius and their person. One more. Thank you. I'm going to take a few more Aquarius from another deck. And if any of you are looking for personal readings, my my email is in the description box below. Aquarius, you can reach me there. Aquarius and their person. Okay. Last couple of cards from another deck, Aquarius, and then we start your reading. Here it is. And we're good to go. The first card here, Aquarius, says, being one with you intimately is home to me. I desire to be one with you and home with you. The thought of another being with you kills me. Darling, you are mine. You have half our gifts, I the other. If you would only work with me instead of being silent and shutting me out, we could overcome any obstacles together and heal in sacred union. I'm willing to offer an olive branch to you if I'm able to communicate with you. I would gladly accept an olive branch from you. I long for peace and I miss you. So there's been some kind of a fight here. Life seems so complicated for us. My mind often drifts to thoughts of us escaping reality to somewhere really quiet where we can be alone. Your love makes me feel untouchable and invincible. You make me stronger, happier, and wiser. Your love is the greatest love I've ever known. No matter how complicated this gets, I won't ever give up on you or us. So don't worry about it. If there is something happening here, this may be just a lover's tiff. I know that I shouldn't compare others to you, but I just can't help it. You're a tough act to follow, and absolutely no one measures up. No matter what's happened between us, you're still the one. See? Please get to know me again. I have changed. I have to juggle a lot of responsibility right now. You're all I desire. Alright Aquarius, if these were resonating with your storyline, let's start your reading. Let's see what's going on. I'm going to start with an angel blessing card. Let's see what my angels have for you for this read. Then we'll clarify the rest of the cards. So my angels, Blessing, guidance, advice, or a message for Aquarius. Blessings of abundance, my favorite card for you, Aquarius. This is like really, really. Don't worry about anything. That's all I can say. Blessings are upon you. And when when I read abundance on this card, I don't just see material abundance. When this card comes out, that feeling of abundance overall in your home, in your family life, in your love, in your everything. This is like being blessed by the universe that all will be well. So let's see now what's happening. Spirit-wise, the Fool card here with the Four of Wands in reverse. What's the Fool card? What's the Fool card for Aquarius? Yes, somebody wants to start anew. They don't like this stress. They want to come out of this stressful place. Maybe somebody walked away or is walking away, feeling rather defeated in a connection, feeling maybe it's time to drop this connection, maybe it's time to go off for a solo journey somewhere or just take off, and maybe there's silence between the two of you as well, right? So it's almost like one person is thinking, I just want to take off, there's too much of trouble here with the Four of Wands in reverse. Why is the Four of Wands in reverse? Because you guys have retreated, I guess, from each other, both holding back from each other, feeling it's over, feeling this, this is the end. There is Ten of Pentacles in reverse once again. So there is a problem here. I'm not going to deny that. There is something happening in a very committed sort of relationship. This could be a marriage as well. Maybe somebody, the King of Swords is here upside down, so I'm assuming that they probably were very rude or harsh or said something or were very emotionally closed off. No, they are disappointed, I guess. They are disappointed at whatever fight has happened between the two of you. They are making a decision. What's the decision they're making, Spirit? Two of Wands. Oh, well, why, Spirit? Okay, they're holding their ground. 1 second, let me check again. They are the ones who want to, no, they are making a decision. Maybe till now they've been blocking off this connection or pushing their partner back and have said certain things that I don't want you in my life anymore. They do want to open up. They do want to begin again. They don't like being stuck here either. I think this person wants to try again. They want to give it one more shot, or they want to work on this. They want this fight to end. Seven of Wands. Yes, they do want to work things out, Aquarius. I got scared for a second, but no. The rest of the cards confirm that this person is now deciding that, hey, let's work it out. Let's put our barriers down. Let's get each other out of the cold now, because right now they are worried maybe about what people will say. There could be gossip if things kind of have come to a standstill, or they feel this is just a petty fight. Let's not get petty and spoil and break up such a beautiful connection. Let's just end the fight instead. So, Strength in reverse. Yeah, the problem here is that you guys are not communicating to each other. Both of you lack of communication is what is making this more of a problem. King of Cups is in reverse and the Queen of Cups has a lid on her cup of love. So both of you are kind of, I don't know why, holding back from each other, maybe communication or something. And I think both of you are stressed out. Both of you can't sleep well at night. Neither of you want to be the first ones to clear the air. I think this Queen of Swords is also now protecting herself. So Queen of Swords, say something to us. What's the problem here? Oh, Queen of Swords says, I want justice. It's not that I don't love them. I do love them a lot. I just need them to act with a little bit of, be my emperor and take control, take charge, and do the right thing by me. I don't want to fight either, but I'm not going to be the one who's going to reconcile first, because they've created such bad memories. They are the ones who created this fight, and they have created some drama in our lives, and yeah, they. Oh, so I think this Queen of Swords is looking away from the connection because they feel this King of Cups has not yet apologized to them. Simple as that. And the more you guys are sitting in your corners, the more delay that's happening. Both of you are stressed out because the heart of the matter, you both love each other to death. Okay, this is like a very strong bond you guys have with each other. So once again, I mean, this happened many months ago. I remember when I called it the lovers' tiff. So this is the same kind of story. Look at the amount of love. Come on, look at the amount of love you guys do share with each other. So somebody said something or misbehaved, and the other one is, you're both kind of. But this King of Cups now does want to end this. Maybe they're not showing it, or maybe they are, not brave enough to come forward. But the love is there. The love is there, so don't worry about it. Things will be fine. There are blessings of abundance on the two of you. Okay? So that's all I have for you, Aquarius. Till next time then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.